What if touching something here instantly affects something light years away? What if two particles, once connected, remain linked forever, no matter how far they drift apart? This isn't science fiction. This is the strange reality of quantum entanglement, where space means nothing, and connection is everything. Let's enter the most mind-bending mystery in modern physics. This is beyond Newton. In our normal world, things are separate. A light switch in your room doesn't affect one in Tokyo. You can't clap here and make someone blink in space. But in the quantum world, this rule is broken. When two quantum particles, like photons or electrons, interact in just the right way, they become entangled. It's like their identities are now linked. Measure one, and you instantly know the state of the other, even if they're on opposite sides of the galaxy. Einstein hated this idea. He called it spooky action at a distance, because according to relativity, nothing should travel faster than light. Yet, entangled particles seem to do exactly that. They don't send information. They just know. It's not magic. It's entanglement. So how do we know this is real? Let's go back to 1964. Physicist John Bell proposed a way to test if entangled particles really behave this way, using something called Bell's inequality. Decades later, scientists ran the experiment. They separated entangled photons by kilometers, measured their polarizations, and found that the results couldn't be explained by hidden variables or classical physics. In 2015, a loophole-free Bell test confirmed it again. No tricks. No interference. Quantum entanglement is real. We're not just guessing anymore. We've seen it. Now here's where it gets even crazier. Entanglement isn't just theory. It's changing technology. Quantum communication. China launched a satellite, which used entangled photons to transmit data between cities. Unhackable, because observing the quantum link destroys it. Quantum cryptography. Using entangled pairs to send ultra-secure messages. If anyone tries to spy, the system knows instantly. Quantum teleportation. Scientists have already teleported the quantum state of particles over 1,200 kilometers. We're not moving the object. We're transferring its identity. That's not just impressive. That's Star Trek level real. Here's a wild thought. Some physicists now believe that everything in the universe might be entangled in some way. At the Big Bang, all matter was tightly packed together, meaning it could have formed an original web of entanglement. What if space and time are emergent properties formed by the connections between particles? There's even a theory called ER equals EPR, suggesting that entanglement and wormholes are the same thing. What we call a shortcut through space might just be the visible result of entangled particles working behind the scenes. The universe might not be made of things. It might be made of relationships. Quantum entanglement challenges everything we know about distance, reality, and separation. It says, you're not isolated. The world isn't built from pieces. It's built from connections. We may never fully understand it, but we feel it in ways physics never expected. Maybe quantum physics is just catching up with the invisible bonds we already believe in. This is beyond Newton. If your brain just went faster than light, give us a like, share with a fellow curious mind. Subscribe for more truths, sound like fiction, but aren't.